everyone, welcome to Ada's Reading Retreat. I'm so excited to share another fantastic story with you. Today's story is called Woohoo! You're doing great. It's about a chicken who encourages his friends even when they make mistakes. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification for new stories. Let's dive in and read this inspiring story. Have you been feeling kind of low? A little lost? A little slow? Perhaps unsure of what to do and how to do it? Is that you? Or are you feeling quite upended? Underprepared? And overextended? Or is it all too much for you? So much to learn. So much to do. Well, I can help you. Yes, indeed. I know exactly what you need. You need a chicken to wave and cheer. Woohoo! And you're in luck. I'm here. Right here. There's surely nothing more fantastic than someone who's enthusiastic. Are you learning how to skate? Woohoo! You're doing great. Are you practicing ballet? Woohoo, you're A-okay. Did you teach yourself to bake? Woohoo, you made that cake. Woohoo! Way to tap. Woohoo! Way to nap. You woke me up. Oh no! I made a mistake. I'm no good at this. But everybody makes mistakes. That's how we learn. That's what it takes. Woohoo for you. You tried your best. Perhaps you'd like a little rest. While both my friends are snoozing there, I have a thought I'd like to share. It's often very nice to hear an encouraging word, a kindly cheer. And it helps to say a big woohoo to someone who is feeling blue. But I think perhaps the best woohoo is the one you say each day to you. Woohoo, you're doing great. I hope you enjoyed this story. Kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons and turn on your bell notifications. See you next time on Ada's Reading Retreat.